guys, we're back for another vacuum VR. This time I'm going to give you all guys a extra thank you for 2,500 subscribers. It'll be coming up anytime when I hit 2,500. So let's start the robots, see how they behave like. So we've got the D-Bot U2.
Starting cleaning.
Yes, starting cleaning indeed, D-Bot. That Neato D7. Then Roomba i3 Plus. That one stole the i7 Plus's charger. Might have to check after we stop them all. Roomba S9 Plus. This one I have to hit the clean button 3 times to start it. And then the LX12, which has been buried alive.
Start cleaning.
This one, I have to not let it clean until it powers off because it might not power on. J7. He's gonna go out. And a D-Bot X1 Omni. Before I turn this on, Cat. Hi. Zorro. And then Brava Jet 240. My babies that I'm racing. I'm raising that one. Caloric, I'm raising it too. Roomba 692. Brava Jet M6. And then Goofy 25C. Another Neato. This one's like a D75 or a 75. Alec Grid Connect. Mistral. And then Xiaomi Meteor Robot Vacuum Mod 3C. I know he doesn't speak English. The i7 Plus. And then Roomba i2. And then Bissell, Prefart, and Berkeley.
Auto cleaning.
Okay, fair cleaning. What is D-Bot doing? I just started it. LX12, you better stay away. D-Bot's coming out.
Start vacuuming.
And the S9 has an error. This guy's working pretty. We got that Nitro D7 edge cleaning over the washing. This one's doing all getting up the Roomba rack. This one is just doing nothing. When it hits the wall, it turns to the left and skips going to the right. This line wants to self-empty, but it can't because it does not have a dirt disposal. Sometimes collision, sometimes no collision. This Earfy can fit under my buffet, but this one I gotta repair the wheels because there's a module error in it. So let me show you. Hey, this guy's bothering me. Yeah, watch.
Start cleaning.
Has a broken wheel.
Error has wheel module error. Refer to overstanding graph for help.
Yeah. So this said,
Error S2. Wheel module
it said error S2.
for help.
Yeah, so I gotta repair this. It said error S2. What is this Nitro doing? And Brother Jet got inside something. You need some help there? Oh, no you don't. What the heck is this D-Bot doing?
Start vacuuming.
So I started this 3 times now, and it doesn't want to clean very often. Got this S9 Plus cleaning with 1 error. This J7 cleaning his room. That is my first Nitro. That's pretty far looking off. It's doing far. Okay. That LX12 is doing pretty good edge cleaning after it died a couple times. This wouldn't turn on. And then this one is randomly having an issue. The same with the Earfy over there. This one, when it just cleans 30 minutes until it dies. But Treef are working hard. Minotaur D75 working hard. Thistle working hard on edge cleaning. Alec working hard. And then that LX12, how smart is it? Not very. This 7's working hard. This one's working hard. This one's working hard. This one's not. It is just going random. But this I2, there is no camera. There's no camera, no LiDAR. I remember him falling off this cliff several times, just getting damaged. This one's stuck again. Hey! If I move it to a room where we can't find the station signal, that would be much better. He just bounced around looking for the dog. We got this baby working hard, the Belgian 240. Right. We got them all going. Alright. Video is finished. Before you move on to another video or another menu, don't forget, like and subscribe, comment, share this with your friends. It is kid friendly because I'm a kid and I have a legendary vacuum challenge coming on New Year's with a lot of robots. I actually have to fix the D-bot because it's just on housekeeper mode. That's why it returns to the dock after I start its vacuum cleaner. So, hope you guys enjoyed. Once again, subscribe and see you in the next vacuum video. Bye!